Hi friends, good morning all of you and welcome back to our online class Maths 6th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our fourth chapter, that is basic geometry concepts. In previous classes already we have studied the different terms related to the geometry. Okay, and what are that? Today we are going to discuss about that. What is the interior and exterior of triangle? In previous classes I have explained to you what is the triangle. Triangle is a polygon having three sides. Okay, a polygon which has three sides, that is called as a triangle. Already I have explained about very thoroughly about the triangles, but we'll study about that. What are the interior points, what are the exterior points of a triangle? Yes, so let us start the students. What is that interior and exterior points of that triangle? Interior and exterior of a triangle. Friends, I have drawn that here a figure, you should see one triangle. Interior means what is that? क्या बोलते तुम क्या सोचते हो? Interior मतलब inside. Exterior means outside. ठीक है? तो interior means inside the triangle. That means I am now inside the classroom. So interior of the classroom. If somebody will be outside, we have to say exterior of the classroom. Same like interior means inside that boundary, inside the triangle, that is that points if will come here, any points will come. What are the points will come inside that is called as a interior of the triangle. If not interior, not on that boundary, if outside here one, here one, here one, here one, that are called as a exterior of the triangle. Okay students, did you understand? Okay, now write on that. See, in triangle ABC, the region constituted by the points inside the triangle is called interior of the triangle. That means what are the points are inside the triangle, that is called as a interior, and the region constituted by the points outside the triangle are called exterior of the triangle. That means which points are called outside, that is called as exterior. We will see. And the points that lie on the triangle form the boundary of the triangle. That means friends, three things we are finding, three regions we are finding that points are can possible lie. One is interior of the triangle, another one is exterior of the triangle, another one is on the line. See observations here I have given. This is one point, this is one point, P, Q. This is one line segment I have drawn. It is interior. Okay, so we can write PQ is interior. Okay, suppose R is exterior. But if I say students A or B or C, A, B, C on the line, on the triangle, that means on the boundary. Okay, so there are three regions we are finding. One is we are getting interior of the triangle, which one is inside, that is PQ line segment is interior of the triangle. R is one point, which one is exterior of the triangle. Okay, now A, B, C, these 3 points are lie on the triangle. Okay, one thing we have studied, interior of the triangle, which are points are inside of the triangle. Another one we have studied exterior of the triangle, that means outside of that triangle. And one point I have told, which one is on the line, that is on the triangle. Okay, so this is the three region part of the triangles. Friends, today we are going to discuss same like quadrilateral. What that means? Quad means four. Friends, quad means four. Quad means four. Okay, quadrilateral means four sides. Lateral means sides. Four sides is called as quadrilateral. Did you understand friends? Quad means four. Tri means three. Quad means four. So quadrilateral means four sides figure. Okay, if a polygon having four sides, is called as a quadrilateral. Okay, and it has a polygon which has the four sides is called quadrilateral. It has four sides, AB1, BC, CD, AD, four sides. It has four angles, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are called angles. Okay, and it has the four angles A, B, C, D. That means a quadrilateral has four sides, four angles. Okay. What are the examples? We are quadrilateral. We have studied it. If your polygon has the four sides, it is called as a quadrilateral. But what are the examples in it? We can see rectangle. Do you know? Did you hear this word? Rectangle is also one of quadrilateral. Square, rhombus, parallelogram, trapezium, the kite. So different types of quadrilaterals are there. You will study in that higher class or in that future. Okay. So these are the examples of quadrilateral. Okay. Next we will discuss about the students related to that quadrilateral and other things. What is the adjacent side? Adjacent sides, what is that? Students, adjacent side means if the two sides having a common points, like a rays. Already I have told angle how like forming. If the two rays having one common point, then angle is forming. Same like if the two sides of a quadrilateral having a common point, that is called as, the two sides are called as adjacent sides. Observe students here. Two definition first write down. Two sides are said to be adjacent if they have a point in common. That means the two sides having the common point, one common point. You look at this quadrilateral. Suppose I will say this is one side and this is one side. Okay, AB one side and the AD is side. What is the common point? The common point is A. Observe here. AB, AD, A is common point. So these two sides are called as adjacent sides. Okay, AB adjacent side we can say AD. Okay, suppose I will say AD, BC. Two sides I have taken. AD and BC. Whether it is adjacent side? No. Why? Because AD, there are two different points. It is BC also. It is two different. So these sides, two points are not, any one of that also not equal. So there is no common points. AD, BC, there four are that different points. So there is no common points. So AD and BC are not adjacent sides. Did you understand, friends? So how many adjacent sides you can find out for a quadrilateral? You check AB, AD 1, AD, DC means which one is close to that one common point, one corner. Okay. So DC, CD, BCB. These are the also adjacent sides. AB, BC. These are the also adjacent sides. Okay, students. So these are the about to what is the adjacent sides. Okay. Okay, students. So now we will study about that adjacent angles. Okay, what is that adjacent angles? How like I have told you adjacent sides. See, that means if the two sides having a common point, that is called as adjacent sides. Same like if two angles are said to be adjacent if they have a common arm. Arm matlab side. Suppose this is students angle. Okay, this is one angle. This is one angle. Yes, this angle, this is one also arm. This B also having the, this is also one arm. That means angle A and angle B common arm is AB. Did you understand, friends? Which angle you are finding two angles? You observe that two angles are having one side or not, or arm or not. That is called as a common arm. Suppose B and a C. B and C, what is that? So if you will say suppose B and C, what will happen? This is common arm, BC is the common arm. So angle B and C are called as adjacent angles. So AD, suppose, but A and C if you will say, suppose one example will say A and a C. Whether A and C are the adjacent angle? No. Why? Because A side is this is or this is, but C is having this and this, so there is no common arm. So A and C never make adjacent angle. Okay. So these are the adjacent angle. A and B, A and B, A and D, A and D also. This is D and C. D and C are adjacent angles. B and C also adjacent angles. Now we will study about, friends, opposite sides. Opposite sides means exactly that angles front. Okay. So that is called as opposite sides. Opposite sorry, opposite sides means that sides are opposite, that pairs you observe. In a quadrilateral ABCD, pair of opposite sides are ADBC. AD opposite, that means in front of that, this. So AD opposite side is BC. Remember students, why you are studying this? In a high, after that, whenever you will use that different geometry part, that time it will come what is the opposite angles, what are the adjacent angle, what are the adjacent sides. That time you have to understand. Remember that. AB opposite side, which one? This one. So CD. You have to remember AB opposite side is DC and AD opposite side is BC. Opposite angles in quadrilateral ABCD, in the opposite side angles are angle A and C, same like B and D. That means how like opposite sides are in front of the sides, same like angle opposite front is called as angle is called as means in front of that angle is called as opposite angles. So angle A, what is the opposite front? This one. So this angle is called angle A opposite angle. Angle B opposite angle, which one? This is. That means that not a adjacent angle. Okay. So angle B opposite angle is this. So these are about the opposite angles, adjacent sides, adjacent angles. Already you have studied. Students, write down in your notebook and very neatly write down and send me also in WhatsApp group also in my personal WhatsApp. Now next we will discuss about that circle and about the parts, what are the radius, what are the diameter. We will see in the next video. Okay. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.